Hello children, welcome to another English lesson. Today you are going to study very important lesson today. So I have brought for you a very necessary item for you. So are you ready? Where? Okay, excellent. Now dear students, today we are going to study present perfect tense. What are you going to study? Present perfect tense. Excellent. So this present perfect tense is very necessary for each and everyone, because we have to use this present perfect tense for your writing skill and your speaking skill. Importantly, I expect you want to come to the point to write your writing skill. So many questions is based on present perfect tense. So that's why I brought the chance to explain everything here. So now you can see present perfect tense. This wonderful heading will help you understanding everything clearly. So the heading present perfect tense. Anybody from you? Can you raise your hands? Did you study this present perfect tense earlier? Okay, I understand. My session to explain everything step by step. So under this present perfect tense, I have given the formula. So structure. What is the structure is available here? First of all, you should understand each and every structure. How can we make the sentence using the structure? What is the first one, and following the first one, what won't you write? And later, what's the thing available there? So before I explain this thing, I like to give the chance. How can you identify the tense? Earlier, when I explained present continuous tense, present simple, those tense have given a lot of idea. That's why today I am giving the chance to understand present perfect tense through the valuable structure. Now you see here. Okay. Now when we start the present perfect tense, dear students, we can make the formula. அன்பான மாணவர்களே, present perfect tense உருவாக்கும் போது நாங்கள் இத்தகைய ஒரு முறை, ஒரு அமைப்பொன்றை எப்படி இந்த வசன அமைப்பு அல்லது இந்த சொற்கள் எவ்வாறு அமைக்கின்றது என்பதை நாம் காட்டிக்கொள்ள வேண்டிய தேவை ஒன்று இருக்கின்றது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல், முதலில் நாங்கள் எண்ணத்தை எழுத வேண்டும். தொடர்ச்சியாக எண்ணத்தை எழுத வேண்டும். அதன் பிறகு எண்ணத்தை எழுத வேண்டும் என்ற ஒரு டெக்னிக்கை நான் உங்கள் முன் கொண்டு வந்திருக்கின்றேன். So if you understand this technique, automatically you can fly, you can write, you can promote yourself. So I expect everyone will follow me to promote your language skills. So dear students, first of all, when we make the present perfect tense, we want to write subject. Now I have written on the board subject. Subject mean எழுவாய். So following the subject, we want to write have or has. So this have has will be expected, will be suited based on the subject. So first of all, you know well, I will explain later. Now you can understand the formula. Subject, then have or has. plus verb 3 or past participle verb. Can you understand, student? Now you see subject, have or has, and past participle. So here I have given one example immediately here. So you can compare what I am giving the chance to you. Here you can see, I told you, first one we want to write subject. I have writing, so I have written subject I. And then following the subject, we want to put have or has. So I will expect have. I have. Then we want to write verb, verb 3, so past participle verb, cooked. So this is these three, 1, 2, 3, 3 words are very necessary. Then we can write. First of all, we want to understand what is the basic thing. So I have cooked dinner. Can you understand? I have cooked dinner. நான் டின்னரை சமைத்திருக்கிறேன். So I have cooked rice. Clear? I have cooked rice. So this sentence will be suited with my construction. How can we make the sentence? Using the formula. Understand? What about you? Good, very good, very good. Shall we go to the next one? Okay. Dear students, first of all we want to understand, we want to get the question. We are having a lot of burning question for all the things, based on all the things. Now I expect, so this present perfect tense, where and why we use. So where and why, very important. Or when we use, எங்கே எப்போது ஏன் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் என்கின்ற விடை மிக தெளிவாக இருக்க வேண்டும். That's why I have promoted the skill here. So I consider the heading here, where and why. எங்கே ஏன். First of all, we should understand the present perfect tense. When we use the sentence, the situation, where we use, when we use. Here the answer is cleared here. So we use unspecified time before now. Use unspecified, specified, that is a particular time. Unspecified, not particular time. Unspecified time before now. Now you see here the formula, the picture is clear, the graph has been given the idea for you. I have written the three tenses here: present tense, past tense, future tense. Here I have given the indication, the identification in the present tense, and the colorful circle also available here. Here you can understand, dear students, the past tense action has been finished. Present tense action is going on. Future tense action will be expected or will happen in the happen later. So those things you know well, earlier you understood. Here where, when the chance, so what is the situation, we have to use this present perfect. So the present perfect will be expected unspecified time before now. So now is present tense. Before the present tense it will be used. We can't give the particular time. That's why you should understand. I have given the very good idea to understand everything here. So this thing is an action happen at an unspecified time before now. Very important. An action happen. Action, okay, action finished at an unspecified time. Okay, very not specified, unspecified time before now. Okay, everything will be conducted, taken before the situation, the point of at the moment, before the moment, before the present situation, it will be conducted. It will be conducted or earlier, already the action has been finished. You know when I give the sentence, you can understand. Clear, dear students? Okay, the present perfect tense நிகழ்காலத்துக்கு முன்னர் ஏற்கனவே விடயம் நடந்ததை காட்டுவதாக அமையும். ஸோ ஐ ஹேவ் கிவன், நான் அந்த சென்டென்ஸ் இதை இந்த படத்தை பார்த்தா விளங்கும். இந்த முடிந்த காலம் பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸ், ப்ரெசன்ட் நிகழ்காலம், எதிர்காலம். ஹியர் டியர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ப்ரெசன்ட் டென்ஸுக்கு முன்னர், பேஸ்ட் ஆன் பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸ், ப்ரெசன்ட் டென்ஸுக்கு முன்னர் இந்த ஆக்ஷன் நடந்திருக்கக்கூடிய விடயத்தை நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லுகின்றேன். இதில் குறிப்பிட்ட டைம் அண்டு ஒன்று இருக்காது. So that's why I have given unspecified time. Don't forget. Could you understand well? Okay, I will give the example, more example. You can understand what can I give you. Clear? The next one, at the same time, the exact time is not important. Dear student, very important. Earlier I told the particular time or the exact time is not important. We can't give the exact time. Okay, this is the second point. Third point, okay, can't say specific time, expression such as can't say specific time, expression. Can't say specific time. We can't say specific time. குறிப்பிட்ட டைமை எங்களால் சொல்ல முடியாது. The action has been done there. குறிப்பிட்ட டைமில் நடந்ததுன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. Such as yesterday நடந்திருக்கலாம், நேற்று, 1 year ago ஒரு வருஷத்துக்கு முதல் நடந்திருக்கலாம், last week போன வீக் நடந்திருக்கலாம். This is a situation to identify present perfect. Understand? Okay, next one. Use it unspecific expression such as ever, never, before, so far, already, yet, and etc. Dear student, those words will help you to find out your to write or to get you a clear idea based on present perfect. So that's why I have given, when you see ever, எப்பன்றாலும், when you see never, ஒருபோதும் இல்லை, when you see before, so far, already, ஏற்கனவே, yet, இருந்தும், and etc. Those words will help you to promote, to write, to identify the present perfect tense. So dear students, don't forget this situation. My question, when do you use or what is the situation this present perfect? It will be taken, it will be used or contacted. Clear? So before I explain my present perfect, I have given the situation. I think this session, in this slide, so this slide only will help for the language, English language students, especially the English media students. I think they will understand well, I believe. Clear? Okay. Now you see, dear student, first of all, so understanding the present perfect. After understanding this present perfect, we should know. Okay, after understanding this present perfect, we should know some question. This question will help you to get more idea based on present perfect. Dear students, very important fact, I like to give the chance. Okay, dear students, very important, look at the board. Okay, sentence structure. Sentence structure I have taken for you, I have brought for you. Here, sentence structure, you can see I, we, you, they. So those subject will expect have. He, she, it. Those subject will expect has. The following the have has, we want to write verb 3 or past participle form. So you know well, dear students, subject as plural including I, we have to write have. Subject as singular, we want to write has. Following the have has, we have to write verb 3 past participle. Very important. Here I, we, you, they. ஐயுடன் சேர்த்து எழுவாய் பன்மையாக இருக்கும் போது நாங்கள் கேப் எழுதுவதோடு he, she, it, அவன், அவள், அது. எழுவாய் சிங்குலர் ஒருமையாக இருக்கும்போது we have to write has. So end of this time, following the have has, we have to write verb 3 past participle. Likewise, I have written the pure, the clear idea. I think this picture will help you to understand how can I promote, how can I write the sentence here. So this drawn is very necessary. I think you should know, you should study. Okay, past participle. I think those this type of sentence will help, will expect verb 3 past participle. So drawn, now you see here I have written those verbs here: draw, drew, drawn. Draw வரைகிறேன், drew வரைந்தேன், so drawn வரைந்திருக்கிறேன். Here I have taken this verb drawn, எடுத்திருக்கிறேன், verb 3 எடுத்திருக்கின்றேன். So here I did not expect verb 1 or verb 2, only verb 3 is used here. Understand? Clear? Okay, good. Now I am going to following this structure. So sentence structure, I like to go some question. You can understand, I have brought many questions. Those questions will help you to make the beautiful sentence based on present perfect. Clear? Well, now you see, dear students. Okay, exercise 1. So heading is, put the verbs into the correct form within the bracket present perfect. Dear students, so some verbs have been given by me within the bracket. Bracket verbs தரப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. You want to understand the verb and make the sentence based on present perfect. Understand? Clear? Don't worry, dear students, I will help you. Clear? Now you can see, I will read it, everybody should follow me. Okay, your duty, what is your duty? you want to use the verb which is given within the bracket, and using the verb you want to make the sentence. Okay, you want to fill the blank, you want to fill the blank and make a beautiful sentence based on present perfect. Clear? Okay, they dash within bracket play cricket there. Number 2, we dash within bracket buy a new shirt. Clear? He dash within bracket write some essays. Okay, next, Kamala dash speak within bracket speak English well. Next one, children wash dash wash their hands. Next, Murali dash take within bracket take his money there. Next, the policeman dash bring our letters. Last question, my brother dash within bracket eat lunch at home. Dear student, I am going very slow and reading everything with for your standard, because everyone expected me to go very slow. That's why I am going for your fully understanding system. Clear? Don't worry. I will give a lot of activity and I will follow you. I will help you a lot. Don't worry. There are some questions available here. These questions will help you for your basic things based on present perfect. Anybody from you, can you do it? Can I give 2 minutes? Okay, when I read the sentence, some of you have done well, no? You are doing. Okay, wait. Okay. I will help you. Now I am going to give my answer. When I give the answer, you can check whether it is correct or not. You can have your pen. So, well, step by step, you can correct your copy, activity copy. Okay, dear student, may I see? So, can I ask what is the first one? They, first of all, you should understand, dear students, subject as plural, you want to write have. Subject as singular, you can write has. Then verb 3 also, past participle. That's why you can write there. Okay, now you can see. They dash play cricket there. They mean our culture, that is plural. So automatically you can write have, and within the bracket they have given play. What is the verb 3 play? Very good, played, ed, that is a regular verb. Already I told you there are 2 types of verbs, regular verbs, irregular verbs. Here ed is added there, so that is regular verb, ed. Verb 2 also ed, played, and verb 3 also played, ed. So here, dear student, they have played cricket there. அவர்கள் அங்கே கிரிக்கெட் விளையாடி இருக்கிறார்கள் in Tamil. Clear? Okay, now we can check. Okay, after giving after finding the answers, we can check their answers. What is the answer they have given? Clear? Okay, now next one. We dash buy a new shirt. What is that? Okay, very good, excellent. We have bought, very good, BOUGHT. We have bought a new shirt. அவர்கள் ஒரு புதிய ஷர்ட்டை வாங்கி இருக்கிறார்கள். Excellent. We can check. Okay, next one. He dash write some essays. What is the answer? He is singular. Okay, very good, has. He has written. This is an irregular verb. Write, wrote, written. Here WRITTEN, written. So, written. Okay, now you say, he has written some essays. அவன் சில கட்டுரைகளை எழுதியிருக்கிறான். கொஞ்சம் முன்னம். That is the, okay, present perfect. Shall we check the answers whether it is correct or not? Because they have given the scheme, answers, proper answers. And we can check our output, okay, is correct or not. Shall we move to the next slide? Anyone? Okay, okay, very good. Okay, I can move. Okay, dear students, that's why I also have given the answer, no? Okay, now you see, they have played cricket there. Nice. And we have bought a new shirt. நாங்கள் ஒரு புதிய ஷர்ட்டை வாங்கியிருக்கிறோம். Third, he has written some essays. I think the red letter. I think the important words has been highlighted with red color. So you can understand, you can get more idea and explanation clearly. So Kamala has spoken English well. So Kamala is singular. We want to write has. Then spoken, speak, spoke, spoken. So spoken has been given. Kamala, okay, நன்றாக ஆங்கிலத்தை பேசியிருக்கிறாள். So next one, children have, okay, what is that? Children have washed their hands. The presently we are having this item, no? This this is the habitual activity in the day-to-day life. We can't miss the chance. Okay, every minute we want to wash our hands. That's why immediately we have given the sentence for you. Children is plural. So you can write have. Following the have, you can write washed their hands. Children have washed their hands. பிள்ளைகள் தங்களுடைய கைகளை கழுவி இருக்கிறார்கள். So next, Murali has taken his money there. Okay, Murali is singular. So has, because of the singular, we can write has. And taken, take, took, taken. So verb 3 has been given here. Okay, Murali has taken his money there. Murali அங்கே தன்னுடைய பணத்தை எடுத்திருக்கிறான். So next one, the postman has brought out letters. So brought, okay, bring, brought, 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 கொண்டு வருதல், bring and கொண்டு வருதல். So the postman has brought our letters. Okay, தபால்காரன் எங்களுடைய கடிதங்களை கொண்டு வந்திருக்கிறான். Okay, so last sentence, my brother has eaten lunch at home. My brother is singular, so we can write has. Written, so has eaten lunch at home. Okay, has eaten. Okay, என்னுடைய சகோதரன் okay வீட்டில் லஞ்சை சாப்பிட்டிருக்கிறான். Clear? Okay, dear students, I have given this situation to understand well. I think this present perfect positive sentence will help you for your future and present activities well. I am giving everything based on your exam. I think, okay, in these sentences, 1-2 sentences maybe you may meet at the final exam. Okay, I think there are, so I like to give so many activities through your O-level paper and A-level paper for your future marks, so valuable of the marks. So don't forget, I like to bring so many activities. Have you done well? Okay, can I move to the next activity well? Okay, good. Okay, dear student, this is a very valuable question next. Can you see the question? Excellent, very good. Okay, shall we read what is the question here? Okay, fill in the gaps with the right forms of the verbs in brackets to complete with present perfect. present perfect. Very important. Your duty. What is your duty, dear students? Where? Tell me. Okay, very good. Fill in the gaps with the right forms of the verbs. You want to write right verbs. Right forms of the verbs. Accurate verbs you want to use. And next one, okay, where will you get the right form of the verbs? Within the bracket. The verbs have been given within the bracket. You want to get the verbs and you can get your solution. That's why I have given the chance. Clear? Okay, now you see, dear student, what is so you want to use the present perfect tense. Dear students, I did not compare, I did not give the difficult situation for you. I am giving the chance to understand what is the present perfect tense. I think the one so specific unit has been considered by me because this positive sentence, okay, will be available there. You can understand well. This is those sentences are very beautiful, wonderful sentence for you. Okay, shall we move to the question? Okay, now you see. Ravi dash a lot of English papers, within bracket bring. Number 2, she dash me about it, within bracket tell. Third question, I dash a long letter from father this week, within bracket get. Next question, we dash our office, within bracket paint. Next one, the teacher dash the door there, within bracket close. Next, Kamala dash a new umbrella, within bracket buy. Okay, last question, Vijay dash for 2 months, within bracket work. Clear, dear students? You are I think the particular verbs will help you which are given within the brackets. Okay, first one bring, second tell, third get, fourth paint, fifth close, sixth buy, and the seven work. Okay, now your duty, you want to find out the subject. You can choose the you know the subject. The subject will expect the helping verb or have cas. Okay, following the have cas, you can write verb 3 of the particular verb. That will be taken as present perfect. Okay, now you see Ravi. First one, shall we do the first one? Do you want time? Can I give 2 minutes? Anyone? Okay, you all raise your hands. Very good, excellent. You are the brilliant one because you are getting the chance step by step, no? Okay, that's all, dear student. Time is very precious. I like to give the chance to explain everything. Later, you can take your home and write it and understand. Here, my explanation to explain everything there. Clear? Okay. Now, okay, you can see Ravi is a singular. It's a person. What is that? So we want to write there because of the present perfect. Have or has. What is that? Very good. Has. Ravi has. Okay, then we want to write verb. What is the type of the verb? Verb 3. Past participle. Okay. Bring. Can you get the verb? What is the bring? What is the verb 3 for the bring? Wait. Okay, brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought. So we can make the sentence again. Ravi has brought a lot of English papers. Ravi has, very good. Ravi has a lot of English papers. Okay, Ravi நிறைய English papers English paper பத்திரிகைகளை English paper தாள்களை கொண்டு வந்திருக்கிறான். Okay, next one, she அவள். She has, you want to write tell, okay, for the verb 3. What is that? Verb 3 of the tell? Told. Very good. Told. T-O-L-D. So dear student, tell, verb 2 told, and verb 3 told. T-E-L-L, tell, T-O-L-D, told, verb 3 past participle also, told, T-O-L-D. Here, now you see, she has told, very good, excellent. She has told me about it. அவள் அதை பற்றி எனக்கு சொல்லி இருக்கிறாள். Clear? Okay, this is a beautiful question. I did not like to give the answers for all the questions, but I can give the scheme. I can give all the answers for you. What is the answer? Can you see the answer? Anyone from you? Okay, very good, very good, very good. That's all. I like to move the answers here. Now you see. Dear students, the answers have been underlined by me, okay, in the particular words. Now you can see, dear students. So as I said earlier, Ravi have, okay, not cap. So printing mistake. Very good. Some of you have raised your hands. Excellent. Ravi is singular. I told you Ravi has brought a lot of English papers. Ravi is singular. We want to write has. Clear? Can you write the students again? Ravi has brought. Excellent. Second, she has told me about it. Clear? She is singular. Automatically we can write has. Okay, next, number 3. I have got a long letter, okay, from father this week. So get, so the verb 3 of the get, we want to write got. Okay, get, got. So we can use gotten also, or gotten also can be used there, no problem. So get, got. I have got. This is the present perfect. Clear? My role, that is the role will be accepted based on the grammar scale. So they every okay, present perfect, expect, okay, have has and verb 3 past participle. That's why we won't write. Later we can check what is the mistake. Okay, clear? Now you see, next one. We have painted our office. Dear students, we is plural, so we can write have painted our office. Next one, the teacher is singular. So teacher has closed the door there. Teacher is singular. Teacher has closed the door there. Teacher அங்கே, okay, டோரை, கதவை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி இருக்கிறார், சாத்தி இருக்கிறார், பூட்டி இருக்கிறார். Okay, next, Kamala has bought a new umbrella. So buy mean வாங்குதல். So buy, the verb 3 of the verb past participle of the buy, bought. So buy, bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. So Kamala has bought a new umbrella. Okay. Last question. Viji is singular. That is the name of the person. Viji has worked for 2 months. Okay, clear, dear students? Viji has worked for 2 months. Okay, worked is regular verb. So verb 2 and verb 3 also ed will be added there. So Viji has worked. Viji வேலை செய்திருக்கிறான் for 2 months. Okay, 2 மாதங்களாக விஜி வேலை செய்திருக்கிறான். That's why the present perfect. செய்திருக்கிறான். Clear? Dear students, I have given so many activity. This exercise will help you to find out, to understand your present perfect tense. How can we modify, how can we make, okay, that sentence? Okay, the present perfect tense sentence will be made subject, then have or has, then following the have or has, we want to write past participle verb. That's okay. That's why I have given a lot of work, lot of activity, exercise that is based on positive sentences. Any more activity if you want, I can give you. Now you can see. So what is the next one? Okay, dear students, okay, for a long time you have studied so many activities based on grammar skills. I think this grammar skill will help you for your all the exam, such as your grade 9 exam, your O-level exam and your A-level exam. That's why I like to go very slow to make you understand well. So for a long time, step by step, I have given so many activities, from present continuous, then present simple. Now I am explaining, I am giving the chance to understand present perfect. Those tenses will help you for your beautiful writing skills or language skills. Don't forget this matter of fact. So I have planned to bring out so many ideas using those former activities. I think I will give the chance to bring out what is a present continuous and present simple and present perfect. All the tenses will be collaborated here, and using those tenses I like to give so many activities. So dear student, don't worry, I like to give the chance to give your writing skill through those tenses. So my expectation to promote you towards the O-level exam, towards the A-level exam. So don't worry. So time is going. I will give the chance to give so many activities to promote yourself through the very different kinds of exercises that will help you to promote yourself. So now time is going. Now I am going to finish this activity. If I have the chance, I will meet another time and give more activity to promote your language skills. Okay, thank you.